So today we are at Veiðivötn, which is a black desert with a lot of lakes in between the sand dunes and the mountains. It is one of those areas which doesn't really have, like, photography wise, X marks the spot. It's not a waterfall, it's not a, specific things you're gonna point your lens at. It's just an amazing area, and you have to work your frame. You have to work for your frames a little bit. You have to find them. You have a lot of backgrounds, and then you have these black sands. Sometimes you have a few rocks, you can have patterns in the sand, sometimes you have tiny little flowers or moss or something you can use to build your frame. Me, personally, I like to shoot telephoto here. Occasional places I will find my wide angle useful. But yeah, if I'm a little closer to something, than for example here, everything is a bit far away. So with my wide angle, things start to look just really tiny. And what is also nice about this day is the conditions. These heavy clouds over this black sand is just really cool. So I'm gonna shoot a little bit. We're just basically driving around, gunning and running. As soon as we see something, we go out the car, we shoot it. I'm gonna do some drone shots. It's a little windy, that's why I'm hiding here behind the car. I found that as good as this camera is, so I'm jumping from one topic to another. As good as this camera is, sound isn't great. And I don't want to carry an extra microphone. It's, I want to make stuff easy for me. So I wasn't really expecting a great sound, so I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you that it isn't that great. Anyway, moving on.
Oh, I get blue in the morning, I get blue in the evening too, yeah. I get blue in the morning time, if the evening come around too long, Lord have mercy, I get blue in the afternoon. Listening to the birds outside my window, I say, Lord, put a heart song on me, yeah. Listening to birds outside my window, I pray, oh Lord, put a heart song on me. They're waking up in the morning.
So we're gonna end this day at the two craters in close to Landmannalaugar. This one, Ljótipollur. It's in English it's ugly puddle, because pollur is puddle and ljótur is ugly. But this crater isn't particularly ugly, so why the name? Ljótur or ugly is an old Icelandic word used to describe people, and it used to mean bjartur, fair, as in fair looking, fair, fagur, or beautiful. So that shows you how, well, things do change, even meaning of word, and maybe we shouldn't take anything for granted. But like everywhere in the Highlands of Iceland, it doesn't matter which direction you're looking at. It's just amazing. And this conditions, heavy clouds, moody stuff, this is how I see the Highlands. Highlands of Iceland for me is not about colored skies and sunrises and sunsets and just sun in general. This is it. This is how I want to shoot in the Highland. And then we have this crater here. It's called Hnausapollur, but it's also called Bláhylur, which may be a little more descriptive, because blá means blue, and as you can see, the water is blue. So I'm gonna end this video by showing you a few photos and video I took from these two craters. Thank you for watching. Bye.